Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up, how to use a newbie share on your TCL 30 SE device. So first, open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. So then find newbie share, click and hold on it. Click Use Nearby Share, click Add or Verify, scroll down, choose Yes I mean. Cool, now you can rename your device, for example 30 SE. You can change your visibility mode, as you can use everyone mode. You can change data usage mode, as you can use data mode, because it includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mode. And cool, now we can send and receive data using our TCL 30 SE. So for example, I have this TCL in my hand and I want to send this image from this device to my TCL 30 SE. So I click on Share button, then Nearby button. In this menu I will see my 30 SE device, and by clicking on this button and by clicking on accept on my 30 SE, newbie share is working. So just wait a while. So cool, image was successfully sent. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you again. Bye.